Sunlight filters through a wooden pergola onto a stone patio with a cozy bench. Large rocks and lush potted palms frame the space, highlighting the rich textures of the paving. This modern patio features a wooden pergola over white couches. Concrete planters and a stone path lead to a wooden deck, creating a serene flow into the home's glass doors. String lights glow above a cozy stone patio with a wooden bench and table. Potted greenery and a stone wall offer privacy, while large windows reveal a glimpse of the interior. A purple couch with vibrant pillows sits among patterned ottomans and paper lanterns. Pink flowers and lush greenery frame this festive scene, perfect for outdoor relaxation. This inviting patio features a white seating set under a pergola draped in lights and flowers. Succulents and blooms decorate the tiled floor, creating a warm, cozy atmosphere. Modern design meets nature in this outdoor kitchen and deck. Stone walls and potted plants accent the wooden dining area, which transitions seamlessly into a bright interior. Bathed in natural light, this wooden deck features a wicker loveseat and armchairs around a matching table. Ferns and flowering plants add a fresh, vibrant touch to the decor. 2 wicker chairs and a small table sit on a sunny wooden deck. Surrounded by lush trees and potted plants, the space offers a bright view of the charming wooden house nearby. This modern deck features a stone wall and a shaded dining area. Large glass doors link the wooden floor to the kitchen, overlooking a manicured hedge and a neat green lawn. 2 white couches face each other on a wooden deck beneath a pergola. Large glass doors and stone planters enhance this serene, contemporary space framed by beautiful trees. This tranquil stone patio features a vine-covered pergola shading a simple wooden bench. Surrounded by palms and leafy plants, the space offers a peaceful, natural atmosphere. White seating and a vine-draped pergola create a luxury retreat by the pool. Reddish pavers, wall lights, and potted plants complete this elegant, well-appointed outdoor area. A light wooden sectional with off-white cushions anchors this sunny deck. A wicker ottoman and broad-leafed plants create a tropical feel, enhanced by deep, natural shadows. String lights illuminate this cozy stone patio, featuring a wooden couch and chaise lounge. A wooden fence provides privacy, while a glass door leads directly into the home. A purple couch and festive paper lanterns bring a cheerful energy to this wooden patio. Colorful poofs and pink blooms create an inviting spot for relaxation and enjoyment.